Hello guys, how are you doing? Hopefully okay. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Steam account on Faceit. I'm gonna give you two methods to follow to make it work. Let's get started. The first method is to simply submit a request to Faceit support. I'm gonna show you how you can do that. You're just gonna go to Google and type submit a request Faceit, and then go to this website. This is the one that we're looking for. It's going to take you to this page. You have to fill in all the required empty bars. In here in subject, you're just gonna write like something very simple, just like request to unlink my Steam account. Request to unlink my Steam account. Make it really simple because you don't really need to do too much. Unless it's the description. In description you can write as much as you want. Just like, I would like to request the unlinking of my current Steam account. For example, right here, I would like to request the unlinking of my current Steam account from Faceit profile. This is just an example. You can write whatever you want. Also, I would like to mention that if you sent a message to Faceit support, you are going to need to wait for some hours. It usually takes from 12 to 48 hours to be approved, and it's not guaranteed 100%. That's why I'm gonna give you another method you can rely on. If the first one did not work, you're going to need to follow the steps of the second one because it's more guaranteed. The second method is simply to open Steam and log out, and then log in with your Steam account that you want to connect to your Faceit profile. Then go back to Faceit. Let me show you. After logging in to your Steam account that you want to connect to Faceit, go here, go to your profile and go to account settings and go to integrations. Make sure you scroll down a little bit to here. You're gonna find the game platforms. There's Steam. This is the one that we're looking for. Then connect, and it's going to simply connect to the new Steam account that you logged in. That is all you need to do. And if no methods really worked for you, you might need to check if your Steam account is banned or that you have ongoing matches, because that might be the reason it's not unlinking. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will make sure to answer all of your questions. If you think this video was helpful for you, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.